Hey everybody, very quick tutorial just to talk you through navigation in Fusion 360 and saving. A couple of things that might not be absolutely obvious if you're a first time user. So we've got a new Fusion model going on here, and I'm going to create a sketch in this model, select a plane to sketch onto, draw a very basic square, finish the sketch and extrude it into a 3D object. Okay. So let's have a little look at navigation. So here's your navigation controls. So zoom, you can select the zoom tool and then you can use your scroll wheel on your mouse to zoom in and out. This one's pan. So if you select the hand, you can move objects from left to right, up and down on the screen. Look at, so you can select face, and it will orientate that face towards you, so you're looking directly at it. And this one's orbit. So that's your 3D view. You can rotate objects just by click and hold the mouse button. So there's a keyboard shortcut for all of those. I don't really use these controls. Don't really go down to this toolbar very often at all. So your orbit control is hold your scroll wheel and shift keyboard shift. So I hold keyboard shift with one hand and hold my scroll wheel down with the other hand, and that's the shortcut to orbit. Okay. The pan is just click and hold your scroll wheel. So hold your scroll wheel down and you get pan. Zoom is your scroll wheel, of course. Yeah. So that's you can use this fella up here as well. So if you want to look directly at a face, you can select a face to look directly at. Look at the top side, so you get a plan view or a side view. Yeah. And then of course using shift and scroll wheel, I can go back to orbit and zoom in and out on the scroll wheel. So you soon get the hang of that kind of navigation. It's a bit weird for the first minute or two, but yeah, you'll get the hang of that pretty quick. So I want to save my model. So I do the usual kind of thing. You go into File, Save, and it brings this up. So we'll call it something, call it cube. And then we'll give it a location. So if I just hit this drop down, I've got a list of projects here. So I could create a new project if I wanted to, and it would add a project to this list here. I'm using March 22 at the moment. So because I'm not really working on a project, I'm doing lots of random odd files. I'm going to arrange them in chronologically, so I'm going to call this project March 22, and I can select that project as a folder to save it into. So I've got an admin project that's got lots of stuff in it, but I've just created this this project to put random files into. So I've named it, I've given it a location by creating a new project, and I can save it. Okay, and then this is your file viewer. So I can see my March 22 project here. And I can go into open my March 22 project, and of course I can see cube in there. And if I want to navigate back to my home screen, I just click the little home icon here, and that'll show me all of my projects. So that navigation bar there, you can close it down. You don't need that open when you're modeling, and you reopen it using this data panel icon up here. Navigate through like that. Okay. So I hope that is helpful. It's something that took me a little while to get the hang of saving things in Fusion. I hope that's a shortcut for you. Cheers.